Hi guys. Today I'll demonstrate the process for activating the software license. This operation requires an internet connection. Please save your ticket ID for future use, such as re-importing the license after a system reinstallation. Here it means you don't have access to our software, you can contact our sales to apply for activation. Wait for us to provide the ticket ID. After receiving it, copy that. Right-click the Kommander software. Open File Location. Locate the activation tool in the root directory. Open it and input the ticket ID. Activate local device and activate. After a success message appears, you can open the software and use it. If the device requiring activation does not have internet access, it requires another PC with internet. On the device requiring activation, open the activation tool from the software root directory. Click Request File, save it, paste it to the device that has internet. On the internet-connected computer, on the top, we got the activation file in our software. Open the activation tool. Enter the ticket ID our staff send you and click Online Activation. In the activation web page, select File-Based License Transfer. Select the activation file. And start activation now. Download license update file now. Now you have a file with the .raw extension. Copy this file back to the device requiring activation. Double-click to import the file, and the activation will be completed. If any other issues occur, contact us anytime. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.